The Sage Store is going to be hosting our first giveaway and it's going to be on our monthly sewing kit. If you enter this giveaway, you stand a chance to win 8 yards of fabric, quality premium fabric, as well as the matching sewing supplies that you would use to create 3 to 5 different sewing projects. So that includes zippers, interfacing, fringe, and all of that. And other things such as a project planner, a mood board brochure, sewing gifts to enrich your sewing experience while you sew whatever you want to sew with the fabrics that you win. So this giveaway is going to be hosted on Instagram, and all you need to do is follow the Sage Store and Cedo Gay, like the giveaway post, and comment by tagging a fellow sewist or any friend that you know, and share your favorite video on this page on your stories. And that's literally it. You get a chance to win. Okay, so we're going to be choosing the winner based on random generator. So anyone, literally anyone, gets a chance to win at this, right? But even if you don't win, we have something for you. Okay, so if you are a participant in this giveaway, even if you do not win, you're still going to be able to get our monthly sewing kit for 20% off. Isn't that amazing? So all you just need to do is enter this giveaway. Even if you don't win, you still get a discount for beautiful fabrics, beautiful sewing supplies, and it's like getting a gift, honestly, because the packaging is top notch. Okay, so yeah, what are you waiting for? Go to the giveaway post and enter.